Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assessing the spill and moving quickly. Blot to lift liquid, press with absorbent white towels and replace them as they saturate. Once surface moisture is reduced, suction with a wet vac or carpet extractor on slow passes to remove deeper water. This prevents dye migration. Make sure to test a hidden spot with a mild dish soap and water mix so you know how the carpet reacts. If the paint is still wet, don't wait, act now to prevent setting. You now focus on residue. Mix 1 teaspoon mild dish soap per cup of water and apply sparingly to the stained zone. Work from the outside toward the center to avoid spreading and agitate gently with a soft bristle brush to release paint particles without damaging fibers. Rinse the area with clear water and extract repeatedly until no suds remain. This removes both soap and loosened paint. Once done, press with clean towels between extractions to accelerate drying and reduce the risk of a ring. You finish by drying thoroughly. Place fans and a dehumidifier to move air across the carpet, and continue blotting until fibers feel dry. If a faint stain remains, test a carpet-safe stain remover on an inconspicuous patch before treating the whole spot. Follow directions and extract after treatment. If paint was oil-based or has dried and resisted these steps, avoid aggressive scrubbing, stop, and call a professional cleaner. That troubleshooting tip saves your carpet when DIY methods can't fully remove paint.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.